Alright, let me knock this out real quick. Hello viewers, another beautiful day. Yeah, hope your five senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. What? Okay, Chimeraos brings major upgrades and enhanced handheld support for GPD, Ayaneo, Onexplayer. Chimeraos 46 has released today, and there's a whole lot of improvements for this handheld couch gaming focused Linux distro. For starters, they have a whole new input system they call Input Plumber, which they say is an open source input routing control daemon for Linux written in Rust that can be used combine any number of input devices like gamepads, mice, gyro, keyboards, and translate their input to a variety of virtual device format. So basically it's like a full Steam OS input, and they've integrated it in open gamepad user interface. It says they've also introduced emulation content sharing, allowing a single Chimeraos device to act as a host for ROM files related artwork. Additionally, this release brings remote launch that lets you launch any game including Steam, GOG, Epic, emulate games via URL. On top of that, they also hooked up GB operator support so it plugs and play. Then it said lots of other fixes and improvement. It says here the Ayaneo platform driver brightness scaling has been fixed. Response from the driver has been improved by 20 times. There is now a suspend mode attribute that can be used to control the LED behavior during sleep. Suspend mode is not currently available on the air. Plus various, see the readme guide on how best to set your preferred settings. Ayaneo platform is now compatible with HHFC for multi-temperature base fan curves. Added AW87 driver. Audio will now work properly on the Ayaneo Air 1S and Ayaneo Flip and Ayaneo Low-Key Mini Pro. Fan control is now enabled following the device GPD Win Mini Ayaneo 2S, Air, Geek 1S, Kun, Onexplayer, Onexfly, Orange Pi Neo, replace B160B MI260 DKNS driver with kernel patches. And then it says full support for Orange Pi Neo, add partial support to the Ayaneo Flip model. Touchscreen support is still in progress. Gyroscope input can now be used on most handheld devices using DS5 Edge target device and Input Plumber. The system frame limit slider will now properly function for many handheld system. Enable the built-in TDP controls for the Steam Deck. Desktop GPU can also be adjusted with this slider for undervolting. Add TDP control support for AMD 8000 series into the power station. Reduce default resolution on many handheld to improve performance. This can be overwritten. Environment variables. Miss GOG now always download the Windows version for new game install. GOG and Epic now defaults to Proton 8 for new games installed, including multiple fixes for gyroscope session streamed up for friends over at Beside OS. Additionally, GameScope session has been refactored to be more flexible. Formatting, adding Steam libraries to removable media. Additionally, internal drives can now be managed through Open Gamepad user interface. Chimera app interface is still enabled for this as well. Fix a bug where wire plumber configuration could break first. Boot after installing or an update. Chimera splash screen will show a message with step instead of a generic downloading game configuration update. Implement hiding customizing a splash screen. And then it says for bug fixes, fix a suspended issue on some GPD devices caused by fingerprint scanners. Fix an issue where a fix for MT7921E Wi-Fi device will cause MT7922 Wi-Fi device to fail. Legion Go Rogue Ally. remove lib game scope which caused issues with HDR enabled display in WSI, fix camera password screen not appearing in desktop mode, fix custom Proton configuration not being applied currently, fix an issue with shortcut artwork asset not updating. And that's it for the Chimeraos. So if you use Chimeraos, you Ayaneo fans, 1X, GPD, yeah, that one was for you, okay? And for ASUS ROG too, it's mentioned in here too. So yeah, Chimeraos, and for those of you who use it, enjoy. You got a new update. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the new video. Enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, start playing. Dark Section. Go. Peace.